इंग्लंड फिफा अंडर 17 वर्ल्ड कपाचे फायनलीत पावले। बुधवारा सेमी फायनलीत इंग्लंडान अपेक्षे परस बरो खेळ करीत सगळ्यांचे फेवरेट ब्राझीलाक 3-1 गोलांनी शॉक दिलो। फायनल शेनवारा राती कोलकाताच्या सॉल्ट लेक स्टेडियमार जातली। इंग्लंडाच्या रियान ब्रूस्टरान ह्या वर्ल्ड कपांतली ताची दुसरी हॅट्रिक मारली।
I mean, it's Brewster again who's on the spot, and it's no coincidence now that he's beginning to get his name for scoring goals and being in the right position. So lovely ball in. I mean, the Brazilian defensively, I'll be questioning it, but I've got to say, from England's point of view, it was a good goal. Could the goalkeeper have kept it? Possibly, but I think it bounces up just in front of him, makes it difficult. But I've got to say, Brewster's reaction to get the second one was very good.
And again, it was actually quite similar to the first goal that we saw from England, wasn't it? In that the keeper sort of got his hands to it, it went out, and then it was scored.
Yeah, I think both of them came very quickly at them. Ideally for the goalkeepers, you would tell them, can you get the ball away some way rather than back into the middle.
Again, look at the build-up with the English side. It's a good run. Foden has laid it off very well. And Brewster, I think, has been in the right position. And it's a very difficult goal. He's got a very small space gap between the very, very good goal.
And he's actually now the tournament's top goal scorer. He's got 6 goals to his name. Do you see a bright future ahead for Ryan Brewster from what you've seen so far in the tournament, David?
Well, on this evidence, he's doing everything right to get his name recognised.
Look at the first goal. He was the first one to react when the ball cross came in. Second goal, again, there is a movement, but he's gone to right. And this third goal, again, if you look at it, when the cross came in, there are 3 yellow shirts in front of him, but the boy just went into the right place.
Because his hat-trick has proved the difference against the South American favourites. It ends Brazil 1, England 3.
शिरसाय आणि साखळे रेजिडेन्शियल फुटबॉल अकादमीत गोंयकारांक जाय तसो स्कोप मेळना म्हूण वेदांतान आतां गांवागांवांनी फुटबॉल स्कूल उगडपाचें थारायलां। वेदांताची थिये आनी सांग्यार अशी स्कुलां आशिल्लीं, आतां नवें स्कूल ओपन जालां। ह्या सेंटरा खातीर वेदांतान माय दो पोब्रेश आनी होली रोजेच्या भुरग्यांक फुटबॉला खातीर दत्तक घेतल्यात।
We're trying to bring the same methodology that we are using the CES Academy, adapted to this first part of the formation of the kid that goes from 6 years old to 14 years old, trying to bring these basic and more important fundamentals that the kid need to develop during this phase, and who knows if in the future they can become players in our academy, and if not, they will have a very good formation, special formation for this.
Our outreach program beyond the residential academies that we have in Sirsayam and Salt Lake, which under the brand name of Sesa Football Academy. The need essentially happened because we realized that we could offer only limited spots for the residential academy to the Goan players, but beyond that there were so many other players, young players who wanted and needed that bit of professional coaching. So we are taking these outreach programs in form of Vedanta football schools.
Looking after the 5 centers. At the moment, Tivim, Sangam, third one, then we'll proceed to Majorda. Looking forward to some of the 5 centers which is in mind at the moment. But we have succeeded in 3 schools. This new area is a land which has supplied plenty of footballers for various clubs in Goa. Not only for Goa, for the country. They are also playing, some of them also playing in ISL. It's a great thing. They all came from their natural own abilities, and then they got further training when they went to the clubs. But now when you get the young kids here, and with Mr. Eduard from Barcelona, with his program, I think they'll be full-fledged by the boy at the age of 14. The boy will be, I think, will learn a lot of things and will be perfect enough to join the academy in Sakeli.
ह्या बुलेटिनाक चोपतो ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात। नमस्कार।